Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Somnang and today I'm going to show you how to loop video for a relaxation video. You know, YouTube have like millions of video about relaxation video and some channels are very success. And if you want to create your own relaxation channel, this is for you. So first thing first, before you start to make a relaxation video, you need to know what program that I'm using. So I'm using Premiere Pro, and right now I'm using the Premiere Pro Beta. It's a new app that they just created. But you also can use the original Premiere Pro as well if you want to. And today I'm going to show you how to loop a waterfall. Let's go. I don't want to take too long because sometimes the video can take a very long time the way I do it, and I do it because this is how I do it every time. And if you want to take a look, my channel is for relaxation is Camboyartistry relaxations. You can go and type Camboyartistry. You will see like hundreds of videos that I made like a loop, like about some of them like 10 hours 9 hours long. Some of them is only like 4 hours long. So if you want, you can follow me and subscribe for any video that you want to see, and any question you also can ask me anytime. Okay, so I don't want to wait for too long. Let's start it. So I already have a video clips right here. So my video is about how long is this one? Like about 6 minutes long, so I don't want to have that long, so I'm gonna cut it out some of it. Okay, so and I do not want to do with the sound either, so I'm going to right click and I'm going to unlink. So now this video is not linked to the sound anymore. The sound is completely separate from the video now. Okay, so looks like my video is not really straight, and I want to make it a little straight to it's not look too bad. So I'm gonna like double click on my video. Okay, so you just double click on your clip and you see this lines right here. You make it a little bigger. So and then you go on top right here and you can like move it around. So make it bigger. I think it looked a lot straight than before now, right? Here we go. Okay. Yep, I kind of like that. It looks a lot straight than what it used to be. Okay, so let's play that. All right. I want to move a little bit to this way. I want to have to see more waterfall than the tree. So here we go. All right. All right, looks not too bad. Okay, when you've done that, I like to like make my video look more, you know, bright and colorful. So what I do is I want to change the color a little bit. So over here I will do the color grading. I want to make it look, so I like to do curve because like a video waterfall, so you know, just drag this up all the way, just exaggerate it for a little bit. Here we go. So it's not too bad and the color look great. I kind of like that. And yeah, so the color look beautiful. And here we go. Okay, so if you want, you can keep the motion like this if you want, but to me I like to have it like kind of little slow to make more like relaxation, because right now the waters look really rush and more like angry rush. So I want to make it a little slow, so I kind of make little like slow motion on it. So right click on it and then you go to speed duration, go over there and you change it to like probably like 50%. Okay, so here we go. So now let's see it again. So now it looks a lot slower and like not too rushed, and it's like more relaxing. It's not more like, oh my god, I'm gonna die under the water. Kind of exaggerating, but yeah, so that's how I do it. Okay, so I kind of like that. Yeah, so 50% looks good. Okay, for us to make it loop, what you need to do is just go into the blade, cut it in the middle somewhere. It don't have to be it's like absolutely perfect, but you can just cut it somewhere right here. Okay, go back and move the one from the front, from the back to the front. Move the one from the front to the back. Okay, here we go. And I already have my own default transition. I'm going to just apply it, but if you don't know how to find this one, you want to go over here and you want to go to the effects, and you want to go into video transition. Click on it and you want to go into diesel, cross diesel. This is right here. Okay, so don't forget, so just go right here and just drag it to put in the middle of it. Okay, so let's see how my video looks like. Right, I don't like this. Okay, see, it's kinda, you see this? That's make it look appear like my video is too clip, even though it transition done very well, but see it'll fade out right away, but I do not like that. I don't want to have that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just scroll this more a little longer and I do another transition again, and let's see it again. Too long. Look really good. I probably would do a little more and probably a little more on this side because my video is very long anyway. And the problem is when I record this video, I didn't realize that the camera will flash because the wind is so strong, and it flashed with kind of water flash to my camera lens, so it's make kind of some of them very clear, some of them really blurry with the water drop. So I'll do it again and let's see. It's really different with this. I want to see how far my video, you know, let's go all the way to over here that the water start to drop on the lens. Let's say, yeah, let's say it's right here. So I'm gonna move all the way over there, and let's see on this side. Okay, so all the way to over here. Perfect. Alright, so now both clip look a little clear. It's not too different. It's still a lot different, but still a lot better. So I'm gonna apply it again. Sometimes you have to play around to make sure it look perfect, so people not notice this. Okay, so I make it a little longer. Let's see. Perfect. You don't even know. What do you think? Let's try it again. Perfect. I like that. All right. This is great. Okay. So so we done that, and all you need to do next is like you have to just copy these two clips together. So on your keyboard, click on Alt, and on your mouse, the left side, just click on Alt, the left side, click on the left side and drag it and pull it to the front. Okay, so now you can continue to do that every single clip. Okay. Here you go. So you put it, making sure you don't have any space, so making sure they are clubbed together. Let's see again. Perfect. This is what I like. Alright, so that's how we do it, guys. So so all you need to do, just like drag it one by one. So left click and select all, and use Alt and drag it and continue to do that. Like, that's all you need to do. Here you go. Do that, move this a little closer and just put it like that, and apply the transition, and that's all you need to do, and that's how you do it. So you just keep doing that the whole times, and your video will be looped, and you can do hours and hours without knowing that this is just a 3 minutes video clip. Or it's like sometimes you can do from 30-second video clip if you want to. Well, it seems like this video is a little bit longer already. I try to make it short, but it's not, because that's how I do it, and I'm going to use this video for my relaxation channel anyway. So please like and subscribe and comment, guys. Please do support me or support my channel to for me to have, you know, more motivation to do more video. Otherwise I just don't feel like I want to do it. I honestly tell you that. But yeah, because like last video that I do, I'm like, all right, I'm bored, I'm gonna just do it, so people have to do it. And then I got like almost 1K view already, and I'm like, what? So people thought this is really helpful, so that's why I'm making it again. So I will continue to make more if you guys think that my video is useful and helpful for your channel. Okay, have a good one, and see you for the next video. Bye.